Good afternoon. My name is Unisem. Thank you for my group. My group is Group 6, and our system is movie booking system for our project, programming technique 2 project. So we compile. So for my part, I would like to discuss the admin part of our project. So before we enter the admin part of the system, first in the login page, we press 1 to go to main page, or if we can choose 2 to quit the system. Welcome to UTM Cinema. So if we press 3, which is out of a selection, and the system will show that sorry, your selection are not in the list. Please enter a selection to proceed. So if we enter the selection out of a list, we need to re-enter again. The system will ask the users or admin to re-enter again. So we press 1 to enter the main page of the system. So after pressing 1, we will enter the main page of the system. Welcome to UTM Cinema. So for my part, I would like to discuss the admin part of the system. So we press 2. So after enter the admin system, it will show that welcome admin, and in this page we need to enter the first name, last name, and password of admin in order to proceed. So for my name, I press Unisen. So our password is 1234. If the admin press the wrong password, if the admin enter the wrong password, the system will ask the admin to re-enter the password again in order to proceed. So we enter the correct password, 1234. So after entering the correct password, we will enter the admin system. Welcome admin Unisem. So in this page, the admin need to enter the menu, the list in the menu. So there are 3 sections. First is food, second is beverage, and third is acid. So if we press 1, if we press 1, we enter the food selection, we will enter the food storage. So in this part, there are 5 sections: popcorn, fried chicken, pizza, french fries, and exits. If the admin accidentally enter a selection out of a list, example, he or she enter 6, the system will show that wrong choice and ask the admin to re-enter his or her selection again. So we press 1, for example, popcorn, which has in the selection. So if we enter the correct selection, the system will show type of snack that we have entered. For example, just now I enter 1, so it will show the name of the selection popcorn, and the system also show the storage of popcorn, and we can see that the number of popcorn is 100. And in this page, the system also asks the user whether he want to collect the food or not. For in this part, the system asks the admin in order want to collect the popcorn or not. So if the admin want, he press yes. So after pressing Y, so the system asks the admin to enter the number of food that he or she want to collect. So we press, for example, we press 50. So we collect 50 popcorn out of the storage, and the number of popcorn left in the storage is 50, because 100 minus 50 is equal to 50. So after collecting the storage that we want, so the system will ask the admin whether he want to continue or not. So we want to continue, we press yes. So we come to menu again. So we press 2, we enter the page of beverage. So in this part, it show the beverage storage. They same here. There are 5 selection. First is Coca-Cola, second Pepsi, third is mineral water, and fifth is exit the system. So we press 1. For example, we want to collect Coca-Cola, or we want to check the storage of Coca-Cola. So same here, it will come the name of the beverage that we selected, number of storage of Coca-Cola that we have, And here we notice that the storage of Coca-Cola is 100. So in here, he will ask the signal ask the admin whether he want to collect or not. So for example, the admin want to collect Coca-Cola, so he or she press Y as yes. So same here, he will ask the user to enter how many Coca-Cola that the admin want to collect. So for example, he press 1, and the system will show after collecting one Coca-Cola, there are 99 Coca-Cola left in the system, and the system asks the admin whether he want to continue or not. So the admin want to continue, he press Y as yes. So we enter the beverage again, we press 2 and press 1 Coca-Cola. So we can notice that the number of Coca-Cola now is 99 because just now we have already collect one Coca-Cola from the storage. So now the admin don't want to collect Coca-Cola again, so he should press N as no. So we press N. So the system will ask the admin whether he want to continue or not. For now, the admin don't want to continue because he have complete his or her job to collect the storage. So he press N as no. So after pressing N, it will quit the system and it will show that thank you for using our system. Have a nice day. So this for my presentation for the admin part of the system. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nursyada Safia binti Ayub. My metric number is A21EC0114. Okay, now I would like to explain about my code, which is I make a class name and also for class customer. So, run our code. Okay, to see the function of this class, now we enter 1 ticket. Okay, firstly, the name class is used in a booking system, which is make a booking. So enter 1. Okay, now we enter our first name, then last name. Okay, type of customer, choose a time slot, and then choose any movie, then choose your seat. After that, choose your snack, and then press continue, insert Y. Okay, for the next use of name and customer, we will delete booking, so choose 3. Okay, enter the same name as you had entered before. So Shuhada for first name and last name is Ayub. Okay, so they will display our name and our booking had been cancelled, and then press N, which is we don't want to continue using the system. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and selamat sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Azri Hadi bin Muhammad Rizal with metric number A21EC0054, and today I'll be explaining class times and class receipt. Okay, for class time we have protected variable which is integer slot and string my text, and then we have public void set slot integer s slot equal to s. Then we have integer get slot return, which will be returning slot, and then void display massa, which will be read file massa.txt, and then for displaying the content of the massa.txt, we will use while get line read files comma dot my text, and then we see out my text, and then we close the file. Okay. For the content of the massa.txt, this is the content which will be time slot 1 equal to 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock and so on. Okay, next I'll be explaining the class receipt, which will be public to the customer, and then we have protected variable which is integer grand total times times, which will be the composition. And then we have public receipt integer g equal to 0, grand total equal to g, and void read. We have this will be reading the input from the customer. Okay, welcome to cinema booking. Please enter your detail as below. Okay, see out first name equal to your first name and then last name, and then we have set name, first name and last name, and then you will be choosing the type of customer you are, member or non-member. Then we have teacher slot, choose your time, times dot display masa will get the content from the display masa here in the class time, as I said earlier. And then we will have the slot. If you enter the wrong slot, will be given an error which is wrong time slot, please enter again. And then we have display movie. You can choose what movie you want to watch. We have 5 selection, and if you enter the wrong one, we will give you an error which is wrong movie, please enter again. And then we have seat, choose your seat. We have 32 seats, and if you enter the wrong seat, we will display an error. And for snack also, we have 3 snack combo, and if you choose a wrong snack, you need to enter again. And then set price and get price. For set price, integer g, grand total equal to g, and for the get price, we set it as constant, that will be returning a grand total. And then display receipt. For display receipt, after we read the custom input, we will display receipt based on the custom input. Okay, for name, we will display the gate name. And then for the status, if get type equal to 1, then we will display member, and if not, we will display non-member. And see out the chosen seat. And then we have the time slot also. We have all the 7 time slot here. If it match the number here, then it will display the following output. For movie selection also, if you match the number here, it will be displaying the following output. And snack also. And for the grand total, we have 2 grand total, which is 24 ringgit for the member part and 27 ringgit for the non-member part. Okay, for displaying a current time, as you know, a receipt must have a current time so that we can track when the user purchased the ticket. Okay, first we have we set the time equal to time underscore tt, then we have tm pointed to ti, then time ampersand tt, ti equal to local time ampersand tt, which will be convert time underscore t to tm as local time, then see out the asc time ti to convert time to string. Okay, next I'll be showing you what it look like. So I'll be running without debugging, and then first we enter the selection to proceed. We enter 1 to go to main page, and then tickets, and then make booking. Okay, we enter the first name. This is inside the void read as I explained earlier. And we choose the type of customer. Choose your time. This is inside the class time. I'll be choosing the 7 time slot, which is 12:30 to 2:30, and then I'll be choosing Sonic the Hedgehog, the number 2 one, and then I'll be choosing the 29 seat number 29, and I'll be choosing combo 3 pizza and 100 plus. And if I want to continue, I'll be insert Y and vice versa. Okay, I'll be display booking. This is for the receipt part. The class receipt. Okay, as you can see here, the name is Azri Hadif, my name. Status is member. Chosen seat is 29. Time slot is the 7th time slot, 12:30 to 2:30. And movie selection is Sonic the Hedgehog. Selected snack is combo 3, pizza and 100 plus. So the grand total will be 24 ringgit. And this is the current time, which is Wednesday, July 29:59, 2022. And it will be displaying a thank you message for purchasing the movie. And if I wish to continue, I'll be insert Y and vice versa. That's all from my part. Thank you for listening.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Najwa binti Zulkifli with metric number 81EC0121, and I will continue the explanation of our coding in main function. This is the first page. Welcome to UTM Cinema. String I. Users are required to enter the option whether 1 or 2. 1 for go to main page and 2 for the quick. So user enter option here as I. If I not equal to 1 or 2, we ask user to enter their option again. If user enter 1, we will bring them to the main page. In the main page, they also have two choices, which is tickets and admins. If they doesn't enter the right choice, they must enter the choice again. If user enter, they want to buy the ticket, they have 4 options or 4 choice book. They have 1 make a booking, 2 display booking, 3 delete booking or quit. If they doesn't enter the choice book in a right number, we ask user enter the number again. If choice book equal to 1, which is they want to make a booking, we will display the thing that they must enter. So here they enter their information. I will run the code to show you what they want or what they must enter. Okay, we go to main page. So the buyer want to buy the tickets, and here is the first choice. They make a booking. So the first one, they must enter their name, their first name and the last name, and then they must enter the type of customer, which is member. They must choose the time. This is the example that they have entered the wrong time slot, so they must enter the time again. This is the movie. Choose their seat, and then we go to the menu, and we want to continue. And that is the display of information, and they must enter the information. If they choose choice book equal to 2, it will display what the information that they have entered. So we go to here again, go to 2, and here is the information that I have entered just now. Sorry, okay. So this is the information that they have entered, and it will display our name, status, chosen seat, time slot, movie selection, selected snack, grand total, and the time. This time is same in our laptop time, and we want to continue. We go back to our code. Okay, so if the choice book equal to 3, it means that user want to cancel their booking, or they want to delete the booking. Here we ask user to enter their detailed information such as the first name and last name, and if the name has the same name in the system that we have stored just now, we will automatically cancel their booking. I will show to you the example. Okay. our option is 3. My name. Yeah, they have displayed dear Nurin Azra, we has cancelled your booking. Thank you. We go to yes. And then we go to the non-customer negative one is display. If there are no customer that made the booking, it will display no booking. And the last one is quit. This will display these words to the user. The jump is when after the user choose this option, we will go to do you want to continue or not. If they choose yes, it will display this page again. But if they enter N, we will display thank you for using our system and have a nice day. So I will try to quit. Hope to see you again. So we go to second choice, which is admin. Here is the admin.display. I will run our code. I will go to main page and I'll choose admin. Here is the admin.display. Here it will display this output, first name and the last name, password 1234, and yeah, I have entered the admin system. This is the same thing that we have here. We have the 3 choice, which is food, beverage and exit, and the user must enter the menu. If they choose not 1 until 4, we will ask user to enter the menu again. If menu equal to 1, we go to the food storage. Right. And here is the food storage. We have 1 until 5 option. The same way here. So user must enter the C. If their C is not equal to 1 until 5, we will ask user to enter the C again. And it will respectively go to the popcorn or fried chicken or pizza, or they want to exit. So I will choose popcorn. For example, if we choose popcorn, it will go to pre.display. Operator PC out. This code will output these things. We will display the type of snack, which is popcorn, and the number of popcorn is 100. We will ask user if they want to collect the food. I will enter yes. And then the number of food that I want to collect is 12. And this is the 100 minus 12. We have 88 and I want to continue. The same concept happen when we choose 2, which is beverage. We have 5 options. We have Coca-Cola, Pepsi, 100 plus, mineral water and exit. If I choose beverage, which is 2, I will choose 2. I enter for Pepsi. This is the same thing that happened to the food. So I will go to the yes. I want 1 Pepsi. And I will continue to yes. And it will bring us back to the menu display. The same thing happened for the do you want to continue, and user must enter yes or no. And then the last one, we go to the exit. And I don't want to continue. And this thank you for using our system. Have a nice day. And the last one, as if I equal to 2, automatically user will bring to the exit from UTM Cinema. That's all from me. Thank you.